Okay, quick dive, in and out.
Shark activity way too close. Let's see what's chasing us. No sudden moves, just data. Guys don't run like that for fun. That is not small. Easy. We just pass each other, right? Not friendly. Go, go, go! If I stop, I'm lunch. Open water. Better or worse? It's locking on me like a missile. You like fire, big guy? Good. Stay dazzled. Please don't be a second shark. An old shark cage, or a new plan. If I'm bait, cage is the jaws. Come on, chase the flashing snack. Too close. Got ya! Almost. Stay inside the cage. Okay, not a snack, just a scientist. You chase me, I track you. Fair trade. Migration routes logged. Mission not totally insane. You stay wild, I'll stay out of your menu. See? I'm just passing through. Safety stop. Not rushing this after everything. Air never tasted this good. You chased me through half an underwater maze, and now I get to follow you.
Note to self, next time, maybe pick a smaller animal to study.
Great, surface is turning into a boss fight too. Tracker signal's drifting. That cage should not be moving. Stay on the board or save the shark. Yeah, I know. Round 2, big guy! Surface is chaos. Below has to be better. Cage icle's sliding. Shelf must be breaking apart. You picked the worst real estate, buddy! Just hold a little longer till the storm calms. If you go, I go! That's the deal now! That's not just gravity. Something's dragging the whole shelf. Ow. Okay, not gentle. You're gonna rip this thing apart before it falls! Come on, give me something! Bubble cam, thruster mode, pull up! You're not the enemy, and that cage is a coffin! If you bolt, please bolt away from me! Here we go! You pushed me away? You just scored the weirdest team-up moment ever! Currents are riding the vents. They'll cook us if we drop. Okay, I'll take the express lane out of here. Fastest Uber I've ever taken. Okay, this is jaw-dropping and mildly terrifying. That's boil your helmet hot! Do not touch! Second dive penalty. I'm burning through air fast. Hello, mysterious bubble on the seafloor. Open sesame for scientists, please! Actual air still smells like rust and victory. Come on, old brain. Give me your secrets. Those pulses shoved the water and fried their nerves. There you are, underwater wrecking ball. If the label says last resort, it's probably perfect. Not much air left, but enough for one more really bad idea. Okay, mining unit 7. Let's talk. Stay below its eyes. Don't get blasted. Breath small. Think small. My teeth are buzzing. They're not hunting. They're hurting. If it drops a drill on me, I file a complaint. Please don't notice your spine getting opened. Just need one polite shutdown, not an explosion. Sleep tight, loud crab. Please don't also erase my teeth. You hear that? It's just ocean again. We're even now. Maybe even allies. Time to go before my lungs write a complaint. Slow enough not to pop. Fast enough not to faint. Stay awake. You do not get to nap here. You keepin' watch, huh? Okay, no more delays. Surface or bust.
Almost there. Don't black out now.
Topside. Alive. Huge bonus. Thanks for not eating me twice. Sending proof. Angry sharks, bad hardware, one slightly soggy witness. Routes reset, noise gone, ocean's heartbeat back on beat. Field note, if the ocean's mad, ask who poked it first.